Tired of hearing that aging is an inevitable decline? Think again. The old rules are out. We're entering a new era of human longevity, powered by scientific breakthroughs that could fundamentally change how we age. Imagine living not just longer, but healthier and more vibrant for those added years. In this video, we'll explore the latest biohacks that may unlock the secrets to optimal aging. The traditional approach to anti-aging, diet and exercise, is essential but not the whole story. For decades, we've been told calories in minus calories out is the key, but recent science reveals deeper biological factors controlling aging. For example, while maintaining a healthy weight is important, it's what happens inside your cells that truly dictates how well you age. That's why researchers are focusing on cellular health, DNA repair, and the intricate dance of molecular biology. These next-generation biohacks focus on extending health span, the years you stay healthy and active, not just lifespan. They tap into cellular mechanics, molecular repair, and personalized precision medicine. At the heart of aging are processes at the cellular level. Telomeres, which are protective caps on our chromosomes, shorten as we age, and when too short, cells no longer divide, leading to tissue decline. Lifestyle factors such as chronic stress, smoking, poor diet, and lack of sleep can accelerate telomere shortening, increasing risks of chronic disease and shortening lifespan. Studies reveal that people with longer telomeres often enjoy healthier, longer lives. To put this in perspective, telomere shortening is sometimes called the biological clock of cells, and scientists have found that some lifestyle changes can slow this clock. For instance, meditation, regular physical activity, and a diet rich in antioxidants may protect your telomeres and slow aging. Alongside telomere attrition, senescent cells accumulate and release harmful molecules that trigger chronic inflammation, a major contributor to age-related diseases including arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and even neurodegeneration. But science is advancing fast. NAD+ boosting molecules such as NMN and NER help energize cells and promote DNA repair, rejuvenating cellular functions. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+, is a critical coenzyme in mitochondrial function and cellular energy production. Low NAD+ levels are linked to aging and metabolic decline. Interestingly, NAD+ levels naturally decline as we age, but certain lifestyle practices can mitigate this loss. Intermittent fasting, regular exercise, and exposure to sunlight have been shown to support NAD+ production naturally. Senolytics, a newer class of drugs, target and selectively remove harmful senescent cells. By clearing these cells, senolytics reduce inflammation and potentially reverse aspects of aging-related tissue damage. Natural compounds like quercetin and fisetin, found in colorful fruits and vegetables, have demonstrated potential senolytic properties in research studies. These compounds are already available in many supplements, making senolytic strategies more accessible. Understanding and integrating these cellular-level biohacks into your routine could be the key to unlocking a longer, healthier life. Welcome back. Now that we understand the foundational science behind aging, let's dive into how personalized biohacks, lifestyle strategies, and future innovations can optimize your personal longevity journey. Personalization is the next big step. Epigenetic clocks, which measure biological age by analyzing DNA methylation patterns, give us an accurate way to assess how fast we're aging beyond just the calendar. When combined with comprehensive biomarker panels, looking at hormone levels, inflammation markers, and metabolic health, we get a complete picture of your unique aging process. With these insights, personalized interventions can be designed, replacing one-size-fits-all advice with targeted strategies that address your specific needs. One exciting area is peptide therapies. Peptides such as BPC-157 and GHK-Cu promote tissue repair, reduce inflammation, and support regeneration at the cellular level, boosting recovery and longevity. But biohacking doesn't stop at labs and supplements. Lifestyle practices are essential. Cold exposure, whether early morning cold showers, ice baths, or cryotherapy sessions, activates hormetic stress responses that enhance mitochondrial function, improve immune resilience, and reduce systemic inflammation. Heat therapy through regular sauna sessions increases heat shock proteins, which protect cells, improve cardiovascular health, and aid in muscle recovery. On the nutrition side, continuous glucose monitoring helps tailor diets by identifying and avoiding blood sugar spikes that accelerate aging and contribute to metabolic diseases. Gut health also plays a critical role in longevity. A balanced microbiome modulates inflammation and supports immunity. Consuming probiotics, prebiotics, and fermented foods nurtures this vital ecosystem. Optimizing sleep hygiene and ensuring natural light exposure are key to maintaining healthy melatonin and cortisol rhythms, which regulate repair and circadian cycles. Managing stress is equally important. Chronic stress accelerates cellular aging, while practices like mindfulness, meditation, and breathwork activate the parasympathetic nervous system, reducing inflammation and supporting longevity. Beyond current methods, regenerative medicine is rapidly evolving. Stem cell therapies, gene editing with CRISPR, and AI-driven personalized medicine promise to transform how we approach aging in the coming decades. However, ethical and accessibility questions arise. It's vital to ensure that these innovations are developed responsibly and made accessible to all. Joining longevity-focused communities can provide support, education, and motivation, helping you stay informed and proactive on your journey. The good news, you can start embracing simple, proven biohacks today. Track your health metrics, incorporate cold and heat therapies, optimize nutrition and sleep, and nurture your mental well-being. Longevity isn't just about adding years, but adding vitality and quality to your life, every step of the way. Thank you for watching. Your future self will thank you.